At Tiffany Audio, we craft high-quality wooden speaker cabinets with precision engineering and expert craftsmanship to deliver exceptional acoustic, performance, and durability. Premium materials for superior sound. We use MDF and birch plywood, known for their resonance control and strength. Proper moisture treatment prevents warping and ensures long-lasting performance. Precision CNC machining and assembly. Each cabinet is CNC cut for perfectly aligned joints and airtight construction, eliminating unwanted resonance and ensuring clear, accurate sound reproduction. Bracing and damping for enhanced acoustics. Strategic internal bracing and high performance. Damping materials reduce vibrations and distortion, preserving sound purity. Finishing and coating for durability. We offer premium wood veneer, PU coatings, and lacquer finishes, ensuring aesthetic appeal and long-term protection. Quality control and acoustic testing. Each cabinet undergoes strict quality checks, including vibration and resonance testing, frequency response analysis, visual inspections. Great sound starts with great craftsmanship. Tiffany Audio delivers both.